Hi, I'm Patricia and this is Carla. We're here from the Bedford Public Library with some tips and techniques to help you use the library online. Today we're going to be talking about Creativebug, which is a really fun and exciting online database that literally has thousands of video tutorials that cover all kinds of different craft projects and crafting ideas. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll begin by going to the library website, bedfordnhlibrary.org. We'll start by going over to the eLibrary tab on the right side of the screen and clicking on Databases A to Z. Once you're here, all the databases are listed in alphabetical order, so we'll go ahead and scroll down to Creativebug and click on it. This will bring up the Creativebug website, and you'll see you're prompted there to enter your library card, which is found on the back of your card under the barcode. And then you'll also enter your PIN or password. Now, if you don't have an account, when you sign into all this, it will prompt you to create an account with Creativebug. Once you've created your account, you can just sign in with your library information. So we're all successfully logged in, and we'll go ahead and click See Latest Classes here to get started. From the Creativebug page, you can see they've listed everything by categories, and those categories are mostly divided up into mediums. The first category there on the top left is daily practice, which is a special set of projects where they're broken down into daily projects that you can do over a period of, say, a month. Another special category that you should be pretty excited about if you have kids is all the way at the end here. We have this kids section, which is all projects that are made for doing with kids, or some that even kids can do on their own. If you're looking for something specific, there is a search bar at the top of the screen. I heard tell about a pretty cool constellation embroidery that you can get instructions for on here, so we're going to go ahead and search for constellation. Once you search, you can see it brought up a few different a few different courses. All the way on the left there is the embroidered constellations we were looking for, so we'll go ahead and click on the class. Once you're inside the class module, you can see there's a number of different tabs down below. All the way on the left, you can get a description of the class and what kind of a project you're going to be doing. There's also a tab that lists out for you the supplies you'll need so that you can be prepared. And all the way on the right, under Download, you can download PDFs of any patterns you might need. So once you're all set and ready to go with your class, you can go ahead and just click the play button. Or in this case, we did actually start it already, so we can play it from the beginning. And that's really all you need to get started using Creativebug and create some projects of your own. So thanks for watching us today, and we hope you'll check out some of our other tips and techniques as well.